I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but don't worry. Today I'm going to show you guys how to become, I guess you could say, either TikTok famous or like get an audience on TikTok. Now, the best way to do it is to follow trends for one. Like, follow trending sounds mostly. Use trending hashtags, maybe hashtags that are related to the video you created. Try to make your content entertaining. If you laugh at it, or some of your friends laugh at it, like something, an idea, go for it. It doesn't hurt to post. It also depends on the times. On average, post maybe like 3 p.m. all the way till like 12 a.m. around those times, like Eastern or whatever. It would definitely help. You really gotta like engage with your audience for one as well, and like, replying to their comments and just doing certain things they may want you to do, see how it goes, and it should hopefully go well if you engage with your audience, for one. Okay, yeah, one thing also to do is add covers. Like, add a cover to your video and whatnot. It, like, brings people's attention. I've noticed you have to really be entertaining for the first 7 seconds as of right now just to, like, get it to count as an actual view. So the first 7 seconds of your TikTok have to really, like, be engaging with the audience you are trying to engage with. If anything, try to, like, upload anything you want on TikTok, and, if a video goes viral, try to either, like, keep that same type of content going out and pushing it out there, because, like, that could help you big time in the future. Like, I mean, I'm showing as I go a bunch of the TikTok stuff. I'm, still new. I'm trying. I mean, I used to be on TikTok big time, like, when it first started, and Musical.ly. My account's from Musical.ly. Still have it. I haven't lost it. But that's not a big deal. The big deal is, as long as you engage with your audience, use the proper hashtags, be active, upload 3 to 4 times a day or so if you can, and just stay consistent. Guaranteed you will build up an audience. It takes time, it takes patience. Don't delete a post right away. It really depends on how well, you engage with your audience and just make them laugh, or, like, really have a story to it. For instance, like horror stuff, some people like that, gaming, etc. You got to really make it entertaining. It's not too hard. You just really got to want it, and you really got to put the effort in for it. All right, this is just a small little video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I haven't uploaded in forever. I hope this goes viral. If not, just like the video. Maybe even subscribe, Thank you. Thank you very much.